If you don't like cats but still say aw at fluffy things, then you need to meet this breed. Meet the Scottish Fold, the cat with ears that look like they forgot to stand up. These little guys are basically teddy bears with whiskers. They're soft, round, and have the sweetest owl-like eyes. And when they sit, yeah, they do the loaf pose better than any bakery item. Scottish Folds are super chill, like nap on your laptop while you work chill. They love cuddles, hate drama, and will follow you like a tiny furry shadow. But fair warning, once you meet one, your camera roll will never be free again. They're that photogenic. So if you're looking for the cutest cat breed out there, congrats. You just found it. Scottish Fold for the win. Scottish Fold.